Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the 2-inch front leveling kit from Superlift for the Ram on the Keys to Ride truck. This front leveling kit deletes that unwanted factory rake and creates a level look overall. They're precision made from forged steel and have a powder-coated finish for that extra protection. This leveling kit also allows for you to add bigger wheels and tires without doing an intense lift. We rate this installation a 7 out of 10, and it'll take you about 5 to 6 hours to complete it. This leveling kit does require special tools, so if that's not something that you're comfortable with or something you have experience installing, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area to help you out. The 2-inch Level It system from Superlift is made in America and backed by a lifetime warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the 2-inch leveling kit from Superlift for the Ram. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.